Welcome back, everyone. We are tracking some areas of fog, especially off to the west. Looking at visibility conditions out there, we are not seeing a big concern here in Lima as we are above 2 miles with that, and Ottawa right now has improved with visibility around 1.5 miles. But we have those certain areas here, just those patchy spots where the fog will be much denser and it will be a little bit difficult to see. We have Bellefontaine at about 2.5 miles, but we have Wapakoneta at less than 1 mile, and then you have Van Wert now coming in with no visibility. So it looks like around Van Wert to around Paulding near Defiance. This is the area right here where we're already seeing some very thick fog. So please use caution as you are traveling. If you're traveling west on US 30 or on 222 or on 24, just make sure you keep in mind the fog is going to be quite dense to the west. As we look at that dense fog advisory, it is in effect until 9 a.m. Now, I think the winds are going to pick up pretty quickly as we get towards about 9, 10 o'clock. So that should get rid of the fog pretty fast, and it won't be an issue for us for much longer once we get into the course of the daylight hours. So temperatures right now, upper 30s to low 40s. It's a little cooler than yesterday morning as we are seeing some breaks in the clouds. And those breaks in the clouds will give way to some sunshine for us in our forecast today. So looking at your headlines, today's a nice day. We'll have quiet and mild conditions out there, so please get outside and enjoy. Tomorrow, though, that's when the changes start to arrive. We'll have windy conditions develop. Rain showers will work in by the afternoon. And then for the weekend, it stays windy. Get used to the wind because this is going to be with us all the way through the weekend, and those temperatures are going to crash and become winter-like in that forecast. So as we look at our Skycast today, pretty quiet for us. We'll actually work in some sunshine as we go towards the late morning hours, and then this afternoon clouds will slowly increase. But I think overall more sunshine than what we saw during the day on Tuesday. We'll see a warm front lift into the area tonight, which means, of course, warmer temperatures. In fact, tomorrow morning, I expect us to wake up to around 50 for those temperatures. So a very mild start to Thursday. But then as we go throughout the morning, you're going to notice the winds picking up. By the time we get to about 1 p.m., the edge of the rain just starting to work in around Lima. So around 1 o'clock through the afternoon, it looks like around 6 p.m., most of the rain will start to shift east into the central parts of the state. That's the cold front coming through, and we start to work in that cooler weather. Now, initially, it's not going to be all that cold. We'll see temperatures around 40 by Friday morning, and Friday will actually work in some sunshine. So not a bad looking day Friday, but those winds will still be an issue. And then by Friday evening, here comes that cooler pocket of air with that upper level trough, and we could see a few flurries and sprinkles Friday evening and Friday night. The wind's not an issue for us today, only around 10 miles per hour for those gusts, but look at tomorrow. By the time we get to about 1 p.m., right before that rain gets here, those winds are ramping up, gusts around 40 miles per hour. And then looking at our forecast for Friday, yes, the wind is still with us, and get used to that because we still have windy conditions on Saturday and Sunday. And the winds start to subside early next week. But the temperatures, upper 50s to low 60s for us out there today, 50 degrees by tomorrow morning. So enjoying that warm start tomorrow. Tomorrow, 66 degrees or so before the rain gets here. And then by Friday, we're down to around 50 or so for that high. And then it's down from there as we go through the weekend. So again, tomorrow we'll have that rain arrive by the afternoon, those gusty winds. Friday, windy, partly cloudy, 52. And then Saturday, a sprinkle or flurry, but mainly dry, just chilly and breezy, 42. Sunday, 41 with some light rain or snow. And then we do start to see a rebound next week. It looks like by next Wednesday, we actually could make our way back to the 50s with partly cloudy skies.